All right, so mental drill. Now look at my screen. Look at this first one. I have 2, 5, 3, and 7. I have 2, 5, 3, and 7. Now, I can do a whole lot of things with these numbers, but I don't want to explain to you at all what I'm going to do with these numbers. So now, listen attentively. What I'm going to tell you now is that you can add up these numbers together and subtract. You can add, subtract, multiply, or you add, you multiply, and you subtract. Then you will be able to get a particular answer. Now, for instance, I have 2, 5, 3, and 7. Now, from these numbers, my first question will be, get 47. That's my first question, all right? So we are going to do this together. I'm going to explain to you. I'm asking you, get 47, which means how can I get 47 using 2, 5, 3, and 7? And I'm not going to use these numbers twice. I'm only going to use these numbers once. So now I want you to pay attention. Now pay attention to my screen. Now this, how can I get 47? Using 2, 5, 3, and 7. Now watch me. What I'm going to say is I will multiply 3 by 7. That's going to give me 21. You know, 3 times 7 is 21. Then I will also say 21 times 2. You can see I'm using 2. I have used 3. I have used 7. I mustn't use them again. Now I'm using 2. To multiply the answer that I got, I'll be getting 42. All right? Now, after getting 42, I'm left with 5. I have not used 5. Now, I want to use 5. So, I would say 42 plus 5, and that's going to give me 47. So, my answer is 47. So, which means I've been able to get 47. So, how did I get 47? I said 3 times 7, okay, times 2, then plus 5. My answer is equal to 47. So, in case I ask you to do a particular thing, and you want to type your answer in the comment section, you will be able to type this for me in the comment section, how you got a particular number. Now, we are still going to use 2, 3, 5, and 7. Are you ready? This is called mental drill. Are you ready? You're going to get a particular number for me now. Okay, so my question. Get 10. Whoever is able to tell me how I can get 10 using 2, 5, 3, and 7 will be the first class captain. Get 10. Then once you have gotten it, type how you got 10. You must use all the numbers. You must use 2, 5, 3, and 7. You must use all the numbers. You must use all the numbers. If you use only 2 numbers for me, I'm not going to accept it. You must use 2, 5, 3, 7 to get 10. Okay, I'm going to change my question. I'm changing my question now. Get 3, rather. Get 3. Get 3. Make sure you use all the numbers. Use 2, 3, 5, 7. Use all the digits that I've given you on the screen. Get 3. Let me see the first person to get it. You have to explain how you got that in the comment section. 2537. Get 3. Get 3. Make sure you explain how you got it in the comment section. Get 3. Wow, somebody already got it first. Somebody got it first. The child with GTA brands. What's your name? The child with GTA brands. What's your name? Check the Gmail you signed up with. The child with GTA brands. What's your name? Olatubosun Victoria. Olatubosun Victoria is going to be our class captain for 5 minutes. So I'm going to write her name on the screen. I have Olatubosun Victoria. Okay, let me give her a star. I'm giving her a star first. Let's see who's going to have more stars tonight. Okay, so another question. From these same numbers, you're going to get another one. I hope you're ready. Get 100. Get 100. First to get it becomes the next class captain. Get 100. Use 2537. Get 100. Make sure you think properly. It's either you use multiplication or you use addition and multiplication. Just mix up the 4 basic rules in math. We have addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, right? Squares and square roots, cube and cube roots. Get 100. You are to get 100. You are not using any number twice. You are not using any number twice. You are using the numbers once. I'm waiting before I announce the first person to type the correct answer, to type the correct way to get 100. This time I'm going to choose 2 people, the first 2 to type the correct answers. All right, we are getting 100. What's happening? Others, I want you to think. How do you get 100? Using 2, 5, 3, and 7. Okay, so while others are thinking, let me announce 2 people. The first person who got the answer right is the child with Anulika Nulia Njoku. What is your section? Anulika Nulia Njoku. And the second person is God Gift from Sweden. Amazing. Fantastic. So what's your name? The first person who got it, Michelina. Congratulations. So Michelina and God Gift, your name will be on my screen. So I have Michelina and I have God gifts. So each of you has a star. So I'm going to see the person who's going to be the overall captain tonight. So you need to increase your stars, okay? If you remain at 1 star, which means I'm not going to choose you, all right? Now, the next question. The next one, you're going to get another number. Who's ready? I'm going to make this simple now, but if you are very fast, you will get it right. If you're not fast, you get it right, but I really need those who will get it fast and who will get it right. Get 30. Get 30. Use 2537. Get 30. Let me see who's going to type in first. Get 30. Think, think, think. This is mental drill. This is mental drill. Okay? This is mental drill. You have to use all the numbers. You must use 2, 5, 3, 7. You must use 2, 5, 3, 7. You must use 7. 7 is there also. You must use all the numbers. You're not going to leave anyone. That's the rule. You must use all the numbers. Wow. You must use all the numbers. Okay, I'm waiting for others. I want to announce. It's like I've not gotten the right answer. I'm going to keep you as suspense. I'm not going to announce now until everybody types something in the comment section. Make sure you can show me how to get 30. How do I get 30? Using 2, 5, 3, 7. Do your calculation, do your calculation. But if you are sure you have typed the right answer, don't bother. I'm going to check. You must use all the numbers on the screen. I have number 2, I have 2, 5, 3, and 7. So use all the 4 digits in your calculation and get me the number 30. Look at it here. 2, 5, 3, 7. Calculate with all the 4 digits and make sure you get me 30. I'm waiting. I want to see who's going to get it. Okay, I'm ready to announce while others would join us. Let me see the first person who typed 30. Somebody typed 30 first, but you did not use number 7. Obianuju Blessing, Osuesu. That student did not use number 7, so your calculation is not correct for me, okay? because you did not use number 7. GTA Brands, that's Olatumos from Victoria. Yes, you also typed how you got 30, but you did not use number 7. Okay, you only used 2, 5, and 3. So I'm not going to accept your answer. Then praise. Wow. You did not use number 7 also. So because number 7 is not in your calculation, I'm not going to take 30. I'm not going to take your answer. But now this next got the calculation right. Now the student with Tijani Rukayat, can you type your name in the comment section? You were the first person to type 30 and your calculation is correct. God Gift is the second person who typed 30. His calculation is also correct. So, God Gift, congratulations. The student with Tijani Rukayat, what's your name? The student with Tijani Rukayat, what is your name? Type it in the comment section. Let me write your name on my screen. Awesome. I hope you are enjoying the class. The student with Tijani Rukayat, type your name in the comment section. I hope she has not left her phone. I'm waiting. Tijani Rukayat, that Gmail. The students that use that Gmail, Tijani Rukayat. I hope you are aware that you're Tijani Rukayat. I'm here to see your name. I only know that God Gift has gotten the second star. God Gift already got the second star in this class. I'm sorry, I didn't see your name up there. Okay, so now on my screen, oh, she has responded. It's Tijani Rukaya that I can see here, not Tijani Ramat. Tijani Rukayat. There is another student with Tijani Rukayat. I want to find her. Okay, so God Gift already got 2 stars. Then another student now, Tijani Rukayat. I'm yet to see her name. Maybe when she types her name, I'll know. Now, let's get into the business of the day. Now, this next one is mental math. And I'm really looking for somebody that will give me 5 stars. I want 5 stars. So, which means you must answer 5 questions correctly. Fast. You have to be fast for you to get my stars, okay? So now let's dive into the class. Let's dive into the mental math. Now I'm still going to teach that concept that I taught some days ago. So I want you to pay attention to me, all right? Pay attention so you can understand. Now, right now, I'm going to teach you squares. Squares of 2-digit numbers. Squares of 2-digit numbers that end with 5. Squares of 2-digit numbers that end with 5. This is very interesting, and I believe I'm going to get students that are very fast in this class. Now, what do we mean by squares? When they say find, listen attentively, find the square of 5. It means 5 raised to power 2. Find the square of 5 means 5 raised to power 2. And 5 raised to power 2 means 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. I hope you understand that. All right. So now, what are the 2-digit numbers that end with 5? The 2-digit numbers that end with 5 are the 2-digit numbers that end with 5 are 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, and 95. So these are all the 2-digit numbers that end with 5. So how do we find a square without using a pen and a paper? How do we find a square without using the pen and a book? Now, what I want to teach you is how to do math in your head. Okay, so now let me see. Let's do the first one, which is 15. So how do we find the square of 15? I know it means 15 times 15, long multiplication. I want to use short way of doing it. Now watch me, everybody. For all the 2-digit numbers that end with 5, you're going to write 25 down as the last 2 digits. Why? Because they end with 5. Because the number ends with 5. The square of 5 is 25. The square of 5 is 25. So how do I get the next number that will be on the left here? You can say I have a dash here, or let me say I have a box here, or a square, which means I should write a particular number in the square. Then I have 25 ending the number. Now, look at the left of 15. The left of 15 has number 1. When you're counting 1 to 10, after number 1, you have number 2. So multiply that 2 by this 1. That is 2. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. Write down your 2. So it means our answer is 225. I'm going to do another example. Now look at my second one. It's also a 2-digit number that ends with 5. Let's find the square of 25. Because 25 ends with 5, you will say the square of 5 is 25. Write down 25. Then what happens to this number 2 that is on the left? The number that comes after number 2 when counting is number 3. So multiply 2 by 3. That will give you 6. Come and write it down beside this. So the answer is 625. So it means the square of 25, which means 25 times 25 is equal to 625. Okay? Now I'm going to give you one more example before I ask you a question. In the comment section, you drop your answer if you know you're going to be the class captain tonight. Now look at the third one. It says 35. What is the square of 35? Because 35 ends with 5, the square of that 5 is 25. You're going to write it down. So now look at the left. We have number 3 on the left. Now the number that comes after 3 is 4. Let me write 4 at the top. So you would say 4 times 3. So 4 times this 3 is 12. Come right here and write 12. So the answer is 1225. So it means the square of 35, which says 35 times 35, is equal to 1225. Now listen, you can only apply this method to the square of two-digit numbers that end with 5. You can only apply this method to the square of two-digit numbers that end with 5. Okay, now it's my turn to ask you questions in the comment section. So, ready, set, so calm down. If you're ready, type number 1 in the comment section. If you're ready, let me see your number 1 in the comment section. Fastest finger. Okay, awesome. Stop typing. It's time for question. Now you're going to find the square of this number. Stop typing. I want to see the fastest finger now. What is the square of? I hope you're ready. I'm going to write your name on my screen if you get the answers right first. What is the square of 75? 75, 75. Wow! Oh my God! Amazing! I'm going to take the first 3 people who typed the answers correctly. Yes, 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 yes. I'm enjoying the class. I'm going to take the first 3 answers. Those who typed correctly and the first 3. So I'll be giving them. Okay, so the child with Anolika Nulia Njoku. I think you've taken my star before. Type your name in the comment section. The child with Victoria Ochai. Victoria Ochai, you did not get the answer correctly. I would have allowed you to be on my screen, but you typed the wrong answer. So the child with Anulika Nulia Unjoku, type your answer in the comment section. The child with LD Ade, type your answer, type your name rather in the comment section. Then Toscandi, okay. Toscandi, okay. These are the first three students who typed the answers first, and they are correct. Okay, Michelina, good. What about the other child? Eldora, fantastic. So I'll be writing your name on my screen, Michelina, Eldora, and I guess Shemilore. Okay, yes. So let me proceed to my screen now and write their name for the world to see. So I have Michelina. Michelina is having another star. She had a star before. Let me check. Yes, so making 2 stars. So Michelina now has 2 stars. LD, that's Eldora, has 1 star. Then Shemilore has 1 star. I really want somebody to have 5 stars in this class. All right, my next question. What is the square Get ready to type your answer. Others got the answers right. Kudos to all of you who typed the answers correctly. Awesome. I love you all right? So don't worry if your name is not on my screen, but I love you all. You did well. All right, now the next question. What is the square of 55? 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55. Wow. Okay, keep typing, keep typing. If you have not typed, let me see your... Oh. Wow, wow. Keep typing. If you have not typed your answer, don't worry. I will walk through the class and pick out the first three. 55, the square of 55. Amazing. So let's see the first three students that typed the answer correctly. "55". The square of 55 is 3025. The square of 55 is 3025. So the first three students who typed 3025. Some people typed 4225. You actually thought I was going to mention 65. Wow. Sorry. Yes, that student with Odekunle Clara. Please type your name in the comment section. Shemilore, wow, second star. Wow. Odekunle Clara. Then one more person that typed it correctly is Eldora again. Shemilore. Odekunle Clara. Please type your name in the comment section. Melody Odekunle. Wow. Okay, so I'm really having high competition here. So I have Shemilore, another star, Eldora, another star, then Melody Odekunle now has a star. Wow, I think I have some students with two stars here. God Gifts, Shemilore, Michelina, and Eldora. Well, I'm going to 5 stars, like I said. Okay, now my next question. What is the square of 85? 85. 85. Yeah, keep your answers coming in. Okay, I'm walking through the class with my eyes. So I want to see the first 3 students. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Amazing. Wow. Okay, so the first student who typed this correctly was God Gifts. And followed by Eldora again. Amazing. Now, the third person is Chinenye Vivian. Please type your name in the comment section. Chinenye Vivian. It was remaining a bit for Michelina to come to have another, am I right? Anulika, Nulia, and Joku. Is that Michelina? Wow, Shemilore was very close also. But Chinenye Vivian took that position. So Chinenye Vivian, please can you type your name? Charles. Oh, wow. Charles, congratulations. So let me write your name. So now we have Charles joining. So I have Charles. Charles now has a star. So Eldora has another star. Then God Gift also has another star. So right now, God Gift has 3 stars. God Gift has 3 stars. So our class is almost ending. So now I have God Gift topping the class. I have Eldora topping the class. I have 2. So if Eldora and God Gift can have 1 more star, then I will see who's going to be the winner in this class. Because the class is ending, then make sure tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. I hope you're not going to miss it. I hope you're not going to miss it. Wow, so now let me see. Now pay attention, everybody. For this next question, whoever types first, second, and third, I'm giving you double stars, 2 stars. So make sure you get this. If you have gotten 2 before, try to get 2 more stars. Make sure you're getting 2 stars. Okay? This next question, I'm going to give you 2 stars. Even if I have mentioned the question before, I'm still going to mention, I may mention the question again. Okay, so whoever gets the answer first, congratulations. Now, the next question. What is the square of 75? 75. Oh my God, 75. Amazing. Awesome, awesome. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Oh gosh. Keep typing, keep typing, keep typing. First 3 gets my 2 stars. First 3 gets the double star. Let me see. Wow. Michelina, Anulika, Nulia, Njoku. Am I right? Is that Michelina? Type your name in the comment section. Oladipupo Kemi. Wow. God gift. Wow. Anulika, Oladipupo Kemi, God gift, then followed by Eldora. Eldora would have taken the 3rd, but she was not fast enough. Oh my God. So you're getting double stars. Wow. So let me give you the double stars now. So I have Michelina, double star, 1, 2. So God gift will also have 1, 2. All right. Then Oladipupo, what's your name? Okay, Michelina already has 2 stars before. Sorry. Let me write it here. 1, 2. Then let me bring in God Gift's name here. God Gift now has 4 stars or 5. God Gift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. So Oladipupo, what's your name? Abigail. Abigail, fantastic. That's amazing. So Abigail now has 2 stars. Wow. Okay, now for the last question for this class, I'm giving out 3 stars. For the last question for this class tonight, I'm giving out 3 stars. If you're ready, type number 2 in the comment section. 3 good stars. Okay, let me make it 4 stars. 4 stars. 4 stars for the last question. Let's see who's going to get the golden trophy tonight. Type number 2 if you're ready. 4 stars for the last question. For the last question, 4 good stars. I want to close my eyes because I don't understand. I want to see who's going to get the 4 stars. And I'm giving the 4 stars to the first 3 to get the answers right. Fastest. Okay, stop typing. Now, what is the square of 4 stars? I'm giving you 4 stars. Don't forget. You're going to get 4 stars. All right? So what is the square of 25? 25. 25. Wow. Wow. Woo! Oh my God. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Congratulations. Congratulations that we are ending this class with the golden class. That child will remain the class captain till tomorrow by 7:30 p.m. So I'm going to announce the name now. Are you ready?